Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm gonna show you how to open a second shop on Etsy. So this is an article that explains it all, so let's go through it. So a quick answer to this question is to run more than one shop, you have to create a new Etsy account with a different email and open a new shop on the new account. So let's get into the details. So you are welcome to run multiple shops at once on Etsy. So having multiple accounts is not something that you will get banned or reclaimed or reported for, but you would need to go through separate stuff. So you need first a separate Etsy account for each shop and a separate email address on file with each account. So to open a second Etsy shop, sign out and create a new account with a new shop. On Etsy.com, choose your account, select sign out and then sign in, choose register and enter an email address not associated with any other Etsy shop, then fulfill the informations. And simply right after you do that, click on open shop. So it's very simple. So click on sell on Etsy and you will be able to start making your shop. It's very easy guys, nothing complicated at all about it. You're simply gonna do the same steps that you have done through your first account into the second account which you will be creating on Etsy. Unfortunately, as it is mentioned, you cannot own two shops or two kind of shops within one account. Each account will have its own registry, its own shop, its own information. So it is better like that so you can keep your work separated and more organized. And yeah, that was basically it for today's video guys. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe and leave us a beautiful comment. See you guys in the next upcoming videos.